How to invest in dropshipping. Dropshipping is one of the easiest ways to start an online business. It's low risk, doesn't require you to hold inventory, and can be done from anywhere in the world. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to invest in dropshipping, highlighting two key tools to get you started: Shopify for your online store and Spocket as your trusted dropshipping supplier. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to kickstart your dropshipping business. 1. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products directly to customers without holding any inventory. When someone orders a product from your store, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. This means you don't need to worry about warehousing, packaging, or shipping. Your job is to create a store, market your products, and build relationships with your customers. 2. Why dropshipping is a great investment: low startup costs, you don't need to buy products upfront. You only pay for items when you make a sale. Flexibility, run your store from anywhere with an internet connection. Scalability, you can test multiple products to find what sells best without significant risks. 3. Step 1. Set up your store with Shopify. The first step in building your dropshipping business is creating your online store. Shopify is one of the best platforms for this, offering tools and templates to make the process easy. Why choose Shopify? User-friendly interface, perfect for beginners with no technical skills. Customizable templates, make your store look professional with stunning designs. Built-in marketing tools, use tools for SEO, email campaigns, and discount codes to grow your sales. Seamless integration, Shopify works flawlessly with dropshipping suppliers like Spocket. Here's what you need to do: sign up for a Shopify account. You can find the link for Shopify in the description of this video. Choose a template and customize it to match your brand. Set up essential pages like your home page, product pages, and about us section. 4. Step 2. Find reliable suppliers with Spocket. After setting up your store, the next step is to find high-quality products to sell. This is where Spocket comes in. Spocket connects you to suppliers offering unique, high-demand products with fast shipping times. Why Spocket? Wide range of products. From fashion to electronics, you'll find products across various categories. US and EU suppliers. Faster delivery times mean happier customers. Branded invoicing. Impress your customers with personalized invoices. Automated order fulfillment. Save time by letting Spocket handle the logistics. Here's how to get started with Spocket. Create an account on Spocket. Browse their catalog to find trending products that align with your niche. Integrate Spocket with your Shopify store to easily import products. 5. Step 3. Market and scale your business. Once your store is set up and stocked with products, it's time to attract customers. This is where you invest in marketing. Here are some tips: social media marketing, run ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to target your ideal audience. Search engine optimization, SEO, optimize your product descriptions and website for search engines. Email marketing, build an email list to keep your customers engaged with newsletters and promotions. 6. Analyze and improve, use Shopify's analytics tools to monitor your store's performance. Track metrics like sales, identify which products are performing well. Traffic, understand where your visitors are coming from. Conversion rates, optimize your store to turn visitors into customers. 7. Final tips for success: test products. Start with a few products and gradually expand your inventory. Focus on customer service, respond to customer inquiries promptly and handle returns efficiently. Stay consistent. Dropshipping takes time and effort, but consistency pays off. Ready to get started? If you're ready to invest in dropshipping, all you need to do is follow these steps. Create your Shopify store. Find winning products on Spocket, market your store and watch your business grow. You'll find the links to Shopify and Spocket in the description of this video. Start your dropshipping journey today, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips on how to grow your online business. See you in the next video.